Guys, I got this rust converter product. I got two of them of two different kinds, and I wanted to try them and see which one will work better, which one will look better, and so on. So I got this one and that one, and I got this piece of metal that I was gonna just scuff a little bit, clean a little bit, don't do too much work on it, and then apply this one on that side, this one on that side, and then see how it looks tomorrow, just out of curiosity, because I wanted to do this product on my F350, and I wanted to compare and see which one looks different, looks better, and so on. So let's scuff this plate up and then coat each side and then see how it turns out, and then decide which one I'll do the whole truck with. Alrighty, let's go. Alright guys, so just applied one quick coat on each side. This side has this brand, other side has this brand. This one seemed a little thinner and it's getting darker a lot quicker. And this one seems thicker and it seems like it's drying a little bit longer, and it's still pretty white. So let's see what happens tomorrow. 3, 2, 1. All right, so here's the result after doing one coat of Seal and then one coat of coat. On the left, it looks more brownish, and you can still kind of see the rust through it. It's a little weird. I mean, maybe it converted all the rust, but I don't know. It looks kind of brownish to me. This side looks pretty much all black. So it seems like this one is winning in this stage one. So now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna coat both sides with two different undercoatings, and we'll compare those and see how it looks. So that would be stage 2 of this process. And on stage 3, we'll test durability of the whole plate by using brushes, hammers, screwdrivers, knives, whatever, and then we'll see how that turns out. All right, so let's get the undercoating sprayed and see how it looks after that. And here are the two products that I'll be using: duplicolored truck bed coating and 3M professional grade rubberized undercoating. I used both of these products before. I liked both of them, but I never actually compared them against each other. I just kind of like them and I use them here and there. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna spray this one on both sides and then this one on top on both sides. All right guys, so the plate has been coated. I did 2 coats on it, and my assistants will present me with the product once I tell them to, and you guys will see which one I was using. So on the bottom, I used the Duplicolor, which is held by Matthew. Matthew, can I have please that spray can? Which is held by Matthew right here. This is the one on the bottom, right there. It's smoother and it's shinier. Matthew, here. Wait, wait. Here you go. Here you go, Matthew. Thank you. And then the top is by the can, the 3M can, and it's not as shiny, but it's still kind of smooth. And I don't know, I'm kind of curious to see which one would be more durable. And this one is presented by Viola. Viola. And this is the one on the top. This is the one I used. I used 2 coats of this, 2 coats of that. Okay. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to test the top product and the bottom product. And I was thinking of using this one on the fender flares and this one to use on the frame of the F350. So let's give it a shot and see what we can do on these products. I'll try something like scratching, using a hammer, and then steel brush, and then see what results we get. Alrighty, let's give it a shot. Let's go. Alrighty, so the testing has been finished with my little helpers. And here are the results. This top one is a little softer, more oily, even though it's still hard to the touch and doesn't rub off. And it goes down a little thicker. This one goes down a little thinner, but it's harder. And we can see by the hammer marks that the layer is thinner, but it's a little harder, and this layer is a little bit thicker and it's a little bit softer. And then I did a little acetone test right here. This one came off less than the oily one, and then the brush test, the brush rubbed it off more on the softer one, obviously, and less on the harder one. So this will be my fender flares coating. This would be my F350 frame coating. Seems like it's more of a factory type of coat. And then I just tried scraping the converter, the rust converter. It scraped off some right here and this one as well, but it seems like maybe this one got scraped off a little more, or maybe it's because it didn't convert all of the rust. I don't know. This is all just experimental and nothing scientific, so take it for what it is. But I thought I'll give this a shot and kind of see the difference in the products. And this is what I got. This is the results that I got. So I hope you guys enjoyed this little video comparison of the products. So guys, thank you for watching. If you're new to the channel, please subscribe, hit the like button. If you got any questions or comments, let me know, and we'll see you guys in the next one. See ya!